Hello everyone, well Lance Fancy Gaming. Here's the update for the channel. I know it's a little bit late. I'm got too tired last night and I just knocked out for it as well. Well, the type I am going to work on the base. If you want to get like a giant ass base, I'll say go to Michael's. You can get like an 18-inch circle and use a do some math and basically use a ruler too for millimeters and try to convert them to inches and make your oval base. So that'll be done today. I'll be finishing up the War Mommy's base. I'll put a picture up as well. But if you guys do enjoy it, subscribe, like, and share. And check out our Patreon Discord down on the bottom. We just upgraded the Discord with a new bot that my friend used. And for that, let's see how that goes. I don't have that many people actually go on Discord. I actually do. It looks like half my face is like, yeah, there you go. Freaking. I know I'm kind of bald, get balding and stuff, and I'm getting a little more chunky. I can see it through my cheeks, but it is one of those things. Just beat Diablo 4 and keep playing Diablo 4. I'm trying to get up to level 60 for that. I do want to stream it. Problem is, my computer's freaking really ridiculously old, and try to get that going as well. And we have some more Nurgle pieces we're trying to finish up for it. We got some more Nurgle pieces from my birthday that I have to build and paint as well. We just did some Voltans for Moid channel with the collab for that as well. And I'm gonna do some close-up shots for it so that one of Moid's friends gonna put it up on the Facebook for that. And once we did do some more of the Nurgle, I'm gonna 3D print the Predator tank and a ball tank for my Blood Angels, and some of the Predator tank for the Dark Angels as well. Um, just found out that the Speed Paint 2.0 is a lot cheaper on Amazon by $100 for that. So that I'm probably gonna get one by the end of the month. I will order it through Amazon and get that going, and basically everything's gonna be speed painted and it should be done a lot quicker. Some of the paints for the speed paint, I am going to use the airbrush to get a lot of stuff done. We painted a lot of stuff. I mean, I painted a lot of stuff. Probably get like 3 or 4 batch um a week. Sometimes one batch a day for majority of the parts, depending on what the print is and how many variety of it. The more similar the models are, the easier to paint them in a day or two. Uh, the more of a random selection, like the D&D ones, will take about 3 to 4 days to get through for it. But other than that, I'm getting done as much of them as quickly as I can, and it's getting done very fast. And I'm very happy for it. I'll have a army for Tyranids when the Leviathan comes out on the 24th. And then we have Dark Angel, Blood Angels. Then I'm gonna probably get some Tau or Necrons. I know during October I am gonna print some print and I'm gonna paint some orcs. For that matter, so I'm very excited to paint some orcs for that. And other than that, I need to buy more resin, and resin's getting more expensive, and I do need to clean my stuff out for the garage for more 3D prints. I did printed some Pyra figures. If you know Pyra's Xenoblade Chronicles 2 anime figures for that. There are more STLs that are coming up for this remainder of this month as well. Try to get some more stuff in. Try to cram a lot more stuff in. I do want to get some actual terrain pieces. Problem is everything I spend money on, the cost, and everything else in the world is getting more expensive as we know it. And yeah, it's been been very rewarding. The channel's getting a lot better, and I really thank everyone for that. In a matter of fact, Uh, Someone wants me to know how I record this and how what webcam I use. I use a Razer webcam on my arm. Then I use OBS to record it. I use OBS to record all my stuff through my webcams because I don't have money to buy actual uh, camcorders and cameras that give better picture quality. For that, a lot of these things are like 1080p. If you can get like an actual 4K webcam and stuff, I will go for that. But if you have a computer that can render it, that'll be a lot better. Everyone is going through 4K, even though it's a bigger file size for that matter. I use movie media to edit my stuff. So you know, I use movie media because I don't have the money to pay for Adobe Premiere every month um, or monthly subscription for all of these video editing programs. So video media is basic, very basic for cutting and transitioning and stuff like that. So you know, you pay 20 or 40 bucks and you have for the rest of your life for it. Uh, Problem is almost everything is subscription based now, even the streaming service for that, and it just eats a lot of the cost. Like Adobe Media would be like $30, $60 a month, and you can get like and you can get the collectors for 60 a month. That's about $720 a year. Just letting you know for just Adobe itself, and I don't I get like a certain amount of pay a month, and I have to try to save as much money as possible. I donate plasma just to pay for this hobby alone. So twice a week, I donate plasma, and the plasma money goes to the Patreon STL files, and basically so I can get files and print stuff for my D&D game or for Warhammer for the video as well. I'm actually happy to get one of the collab. I want to get majority of. I get want to get several collabs to paint for them. It's just getting the right people for it. Moid is very nice, and I'm very happy to work with him right now for that. But I'm mostly, try to get other stuff done. But I have Voltans now, so I have Voltans. I need to print out their tank, their vehicles. In that matter, I actually got their version of the Titan Warlord Titan, so I might end up printing it because I don't think there's actual stats for a Warlord Titan size for a Voltan. I don't know, but we will pretty much see how that really much goes for that. Um, but yeah, this is basically all I have for you right now. But anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our channel. Check out our channel and our speed pay secondary channel down below. Check out our Discord and Patreon. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.